bit snug, mate. I'm ready.
This is your first time doing makeup on YouTube.
Yeah, I was nervous, and then I just realized it's my opportunity to mess your face up.
Do you want me to say Radhi Devlukia or Radhi Devlukia Shetty?
Radhi Devlukia Shetty Mutyala.
Hey guys, it's Deepica and stop!
Hey guys, it's Deepica, and I'm about to film my vegan, cruelty-free, Radhi-inspired makeup tutorial.
That's actually exactly what's happening. This is Radhi, and Radhi and I have become very, very close friends in the
I
past.
think it's been like a year.
Yeah. It's been a year.
But I feel like we knew each other in our past lives. I was your husband.
Facts.
Yeah.
So today, Radhi is going to do my makeup.
Yep.
I don't know what made me think this was a good idea.
I don't either, to be honest. I literally, this is as far as all my makeup possibly goes, what's on my face right now. And so,
Obviously, she doesn't need a drop of it. So because Radhi is here, Radhi is a huge vegan enthusiast and an incredible, incredible cook. I go to dinner there like 3 more times than Jay would like. 3 times last week, maybe. So of course, we are using all vegan makeup today. We did our research.
We did.
Do you even know where to begin?
I think I'm going to start with some sort of thing to moisturize your face.
My sneeze is weird.
So I'm going to do Renavat's Mighty Majesty.
Okay.
We love her as well.
We love her.
So...
Wait, that's a lot.
And
is that
also,
really how much
yeah,
you do?
because what I want to do is I really like dewy, almost wet mermaid look. And so
Since when did you like a mermaid look?
Not mermaid, but you know how mermaids live in water, so when they come out, they obviously look wet.
Okay.
So I kind of want to make you feel a bit like, yeah, mermaid wet look.
Okay.
That's what we're going for.
Okay.
Like you just walked out of the sea.
Okay.
And
That smells so good.
I know, that's the best thing about it.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
like what I use when every single evening before I go to bed. It really calms me.
Can this just be the whole video?
Okay.
Okay, now what?
Top, bottom layer done. Then I think what we might do next, some hue stick. Then foundation. But how am I going to do hue? Oh, hue stick underneath! Let's do the Deepica thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's do this.
Okay. Oh, that wasn't bad. Okay, bro. Am I a warrior? I'm going into war right now.
Okay. And then I think I have to blend it in, right? It's fine, I normally use my hands anyway. For everything.
Okay. Oh my god, my skin smells so good.
Okay, so I think
Okay.
it's blended enough.
Is it?
I mean...
You're about to poke my eye.
This is going so well.
Is it though?
Okay, so blended that in, and now I'm gonna do some foundation. Oh, thanks. Okay. I'm gonna go with, I'm just gonna use milk.
Milk makeup is vegan.
Yeah, okay.
Let's give you, before you get that all over you and me.
I just want to say she's picked a chair that's this small, so half my butt cheeks off the chair right now.
That's fair.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good color for you.
Right?
Yeah, I like this.
Okay. When's the last time you wore a foundation that's heavy? 2001.
My wedding.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, we don't want it like OTT. We're going for like a casual wearing makeup but not wearing makeup look.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, mermaid.
Mermaid, yeah. Wet look.
Right.
Okay.
I can't believe you haven't done your brows in so long.
Oh yeah, I stopped doing my brows. My sister has literally not done her brows for about
Your sister's
2
brows
years.
are amazing.
And so then I was like, wait, why do I keep doing my brows when they keep making them so thin? So I decided not to, and I haven't done them for about 6 months or something.
They look so good. Fun fact about Radhi. Radhi low-key thinks she's like a Bollywood actress / Beyonce. Randomly, I'll hear you like fake singing, but then when no one's around, I'll hear you like sing.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm like, wait, are you a vegan chef or are you Beyonce?
I think I'm a Beyonce impersonator.
Yeah.
Vegan chef by day, Beyonce by night.
Yeah, we keep saying we're gonna go to like dance classes.
We are gonna go to...
I think our next video needs to be a dance
Oh my gosh, it has
video.
to be. This looks really good.
Does it?
I think so anyway. You look wet and dewy.
Oh yeah, this does, wow.
So now I'm going to maybe do your lips, I feel like. Or is that not the next thing you would normally do?
You know, whatever you want.
If I was Deepica, what would I do? This is a Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Okay, let me try and think of a fun fact about Deepica. I think a fun fact about Deepica is that she is actually
Oh boy.
one of the nicest friends that I've ever had in my entire life.
That's a real fact.
That's a real fact. And
fun fact.
I genuinely think that we would be married if I was a boy.
Or if I was into women.
And yeah, or if she was into women. I think she could have wooed me.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think I kind of like the waves just hit your eyebrows and they went a bit wild. Okay.
I see it. Okay, wait, now
I'm
what?
going to use a lip pencil on you.
Okay.
I've always wanted to do this thing where you like go outside of your lips.
You are trying to overline my lips right
yes,
now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
here we go.
Okay.
So,
Oh, wow.
I actually think I might be an artiste.
Okay. I look like I just got injected, though.
I know, that's the look I'm going for.
Oh, okay.
Because when you're in
Mermaid 90210 chic.
Mermaid, because when you're in water, your lips probably swell.
Okay.
So.
Can you say water again?
Water.
Water.
I think we should do a bit of a sing-along. Do you put lip liner all over your lips?
Sometimes.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh my god. Okay, then I'm going to use some tinted.
I look ridiculous.
No, you look really good. I like blending colours. I probably blend like 10 colours on my lips a day. So,
Okay.
Found is definitely my go-to colour for 99% of my days.
Yeah. It's the best.
I feel like we need a lip liner in Found, don't you?
You think so?
Yeah, because now it's like, now this is...
Oh, now it's like that? Because it wasn't like that before. Now it's like that.
Now it looks like a different...
Got it. Now it's like that.
Now
Blame Found.
Now it looks like a different colour on the outside of your lips.
Yeah, that's because you put 2 colors on my lips.
Next.
I am into it.
Okay, now I definitely need to do your cheeks because I love a good cheek colour.
Found again?
Found, for sure.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I'll tell you one thing that Deepica really likes my slight ghetto side coming out sometimes.
Oh my god, that is the real fun fact. Radhi's low-key like gangsta.
I am, yes.
Yeah, like literally listens to trap music on her own, like just straight up. Wait, what do you call it? The British like grime? No, grime.
Oh, grime.
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 She taught me what grime was.
Grime is the best horrific music, but with no rhythm and not very good lyrics, but great beats. Oh my gosh, you actually look great. Bar the lips, I'm gonna have to sort out a little bit. Okay.
Okay. And nothing on my eye.
Oh yeah, definitely. Let's give you a wet eye.
Okay. Actually, if you're gonna do a wet eye, you can test out something that we are working on for Live Tinted exclusively.
Let's do this.
It's like no formula you've ever seen before.
Of course.
I don't know what kind of accent I'm trying to do.
You're doing it.
Okay.
It's working for you. I heard that you know how when you use your left hands for things, obviously that it's much weaker. So if you want to try and train your left hand into doing the same, like as strong as your right hand, you have to do everyday activities with your left hand.
You're kidding.
Yes, so that's why I'm going to try, not bilingual, but what's it called? Ambidextrous myself.
Ambidextrous.
Wait, you actually really suit glossy eyes.
I do.
Okay,
Luckily, there's something in the works.
Okay, that's amazing. Wait, this is really...
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stare at you.
Do that. Okay. Is this how when you get makeup artists doing your makeup, are they quite handsy?
They are.
Oh, cool.
So you're basically a makeup artist.
I'm actually really very pleasantly surprised with myself.
I didn't know you had this in you.
I didn't either. Okay, wait. Now we need some mascara.
Maybe I should do that myself.
No. No. Do I get to, do I do this first or this first?
Whatever you just did, do not ever do that with like I just imagine her with a knife. No.
Do I use this first or this first?
Honestly, people do either or, but this.
This first. Oh, I've not really used this before. No.
You're literally gonna poke me.
But it's not going through the... Okay. I mean... Totally did it. Okay. Look down. Look down. Keep looking down.
And down.
Okay, now look up for some reason. I don't know why. Feel like...
To do the bottom lashes.
Oh, yeah, okay. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Working. Your lashes are ridiculous.
They're long.
They're insane.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, let me try with my left hand.
Oh.
Ready? Right, so obviously haven't mastered this.
Why do I feel like I can't breathe while you do this?
I definitely am not that, what did you call it? Ambidextrous. I think I'm getting there though. Wait.
Wait.
Okay, no. Wait, now I actually want to put this on your cheek. Oh, did we already put this on your cheek?
I
Maybe
feel
put it on
like
your
there's
eye.
plenty on my cheeks.
No, but like for the glow ting. Okay.
Literally like a kid with paint right now.
My Little Mermaid.
I look like a mermaid. Where am I gonna go with this mermaid look?
Let's get you a date.
That's another fun fact. Radhi's always trying to get me on a date, and I'm
Literally-
always trying to bail on dates.
Literally to the point that I sometimes answer her
My dating
app stuff.
I download them and I like swipe, and then I like never act. I never follow through. It's just, I'd rather just sit on a couch with her.
I'm gonna do some highlighter now. I'm gonna use my hands.
This is the Nabella Elf highlighter. It's
Love
an intense.
this one.
It's beautiful.
Oh, actually, close your eyes.
Oh, now you're getting creative.
Honestly, this feels like cooking because I always use my hands in cooking too.
That's true.
Okay, now let me do your cheek for the last final.
You're actually like an artiste.
I actually think so now. Oh wait, I learned this one trick from our other friend Pyle.
How is the CEO of ClassPass teaching you makeup tips?
It's actually really good. You put it on the... Okay. Oh my god, it's amazing! Okay, now...
You know, it's actually good.
No, it's actually... I actually think you need to do this on a daily basis.
Okay, not that good, but it's good. Like, it's not bad. It's
Okay,
not
so now do you think she looks shiny and oily, or does she look like a mermaid?
Vote down below.
Shiny mermaid.
Which one is it? Okay, you did a good job. I'm proud of you.
So this is my favorite kind of look, dewy, wet mermaid look.
It is, but it actually is your favorite for
It
you.
is.
You do this
I
like...
really like dewiness.
She basically like does no makeup and then wears a wet thing on her face with the hue stick. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know down below what other video you want to see Radhi and I do. That would be hilarious, and I'd love to hear.
Do it. Like, subscribe, and comment and share.
Yeah.
Everything below.
She's been trained by the best. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna go wash off my face. Bye.
Thank you so much for keeping it on.
I'm washing it off.